When people and organizations committed to a cause join in support of those in need, amazing things can happen. On December 14, 2017, members of the Macomb County Farm Bureau insurance agents and staff from the Southeast Partnership, and Zolman restoration employees gathered together at Vintage House Banquets and Catering in Fraser for the Macomb Charitable Foundation holiday gift-giving event. Its purpose was to benefit more than 1,600 homeless or displaced children in the Macomb School District. The Macomb Charitable Foundation exists to help children living at or below poverty level in Macomb County.
35 years ago, I worked in an elementary school and saw a few kids coming to school without the necessary winter gear, basically, winter coats and boots and whatnot. I mentioned it to my mom, and she and I decided to provide those things for one of the little boys that year. And the next year, my aunt wanted to do it, and then after that, a couple cousins wanted to do it, and that was 35 years ago, and this year, the charity sponsored 552 kids. The thing that differentiates Macomb Charitable from, say, one of the government foundations or groups that help those who are low income or homeless is that our primary focus is on the child. And with the gifts that we get, we can provide things for these kids, such as a bed. When they do acquire housing, we love to buy beds and send beds to the home. We can pay for, if they want to play in sports, we'll pay for the sport fees, we'll pay for prom tickets or the prom dress. We want these kids to feel like their peers and have the things they need to be successful in school. So that's how we use the gifts. From time to time, we've been blessed financially with different gifts. We've been able to purchase working moms a vehicle, and that makes a huge difference in their lives and provides them some long-term success.
An abundance of gifts for the kids were donated by those in attendance. Along with the gifts, the organizations involved will do a shoe and backpack drive through the purchase and donation of gift cards. And the donated items for both the silent and live auction raised $1,900. And Macomb County Farm Bureau Insurance, Zolman Restoration, and Vintage House made a donation of $1,500 as well.
As you look across our great county of Macomb and see some of the things that are going on, you know, there's one child can make a difference later on in life, and here we're helping out so many different ones, and gosh, you think about, you know, the things you've been given in life and maybe the things you've received in life and maybe what some other children haven't had the pleasure of having. And I can tell you that it's humbling to know where we're going with this and the participation of what people have done, because the gift giving has been overwhelmingly well received by this group. And last year we had the ladies in tears because they had never expected anything like this. And but I can tell you that I feel like this thing's going to grow more and more as we get bigger as an agency and bigger as a partnership. And you know, Tom, Chuck, and Paul, my three partners, have been very supportive, and we do a lot of really good things in the Southeast, but our agency, above and beyond anything else, has been fantastic as a partnership.
So I was discussing with Tom, and we were just talking about giving back to the community, and he happened to bring up an event that they've done for a few years, and we told him that we love giving back to the community, and we were kind of looking for an event to get involved in, and he invited us to kind of help this event and kind of make it a little bit bigger than it was, and this is our second year involved, and it's been a great success last year, and it's grown this year. Some of the letters that came in and some of the photographs and notes that they wrote were very emotional, obviously, for the whole team. It just really empowers the team to do more and give back to the community and be part of it.
When it involves the community and involves helping the kids out and the needy families in the area, especially during the holiday season, I'm all for it. You know, there's so many less fortunate people than what we have out here. And when Tom had asked me, and being that this is our second year doing this event now, it's great to what we saw last year. And when he called me again, Anthony, you on board for this year? I said, absolutely.
The opportunity to donate continues now and throughout the year by visiting the donation page at MacombCharitableFoundation.org.